Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you that how supervisor agent systems look like. It is a new concept, not quite new, but before deep agents there was supervisor agent by LangGraph. And yeah, LangGraph is another platform which is being used to develop multi-agentic systems and agents, AI agents. And yeah, this is something we have created. It is a multi-agentic system and it has one supervisor agent, and then it is connected with sub agents. And let me show you. This is something you can see once you will deploy your agent on LangGraph platform. So you will be able to see that in this studio. Okay, so yeah, I am currently showing you this whole simulation of our multi-agentic system. So yeah, this is supervisor agent, and now you can see it is connected with Firefly's agent. Okay, Firefly's agent has tools inside it and the model context protocol integration for the actions like getting transcript, adding transcript, and fetching summary, meeting notes. And then there is calendar agent, which is also integrated with tools. MCPS tools are being integrated in this calendar agent for the actions like create meeting, delete meeting, and retrieve meeting attendees data. Okay, then there is opportunity agent to create opportunity of deal, nudge agent, and then we have CRM agent. It is integrated with HubSpot CRM, and we have also used model context protocol as a tool in this CRM agent from PipeDream to basically expose all of the actions like create deal and update deal, create contact, add contact, retrieve deals, leads. A lot of actions are there, almost 50 plus actions are there in model context protocol, which is being used as a tool in the CRM agent. Then we have deal context agent, pre-meeting agent. Yeah, so this is something how a multi-agentic system looks like when you develop it using LangGraph. And we have great expertise around this to create these systems and then deploy these and integrate with front end for your project. So yeah, and if you want this project, or if you want a multi-agentic system for your product, we are available, and we will give you consultation also that how to achieve this. Further, we will share some documentation in description, you guys will be able to see. And this simulation I am showing you on LangSmith because our our agent is deployed here on this platform. And we trace our project here. We have prompts that we are using in these agents are defined here. Everything we are doing under the hood on LangSmith, and the rest of the development is on yeah, on GitHub. So thank you.